Hello, I'm Alon Rotem, and I'm super excited to introduce to you my new book, Software Performance Engineering, a comprehensive guide for high-performance development. Have you ever watched your software run and thought to yourself, well, at least it's consistent in being slow? This book is for you. I say performance isn't just a feature, it should be a habit. And in my book, I'll show you how to make performance a natural habit, natural part of your software development lifecycle, from the very first idea to the moment your code is out there running in the wild, hopefully behaving itself. After all, performance is best baked in, not microwaved in the last 5 minutes. We'll explore modern development principles, design patterns, and those pesky, infamous anti-patterns, because sometimes the best way to speed things up is to stop doing that one thing everyone's been quietly ignoring. You know, that one. Architecture and the cloud get their time in the spotlight as well, and we'll see how telemetry and APM frameworks can help us keep an eye on things, because sometimes the real bottleneck is just waiting for you to notice it. I'll show you how to profile code, measure performance, and generate test data without just copy-pasting lorem ipsum until your database begs for mercy. We'll talk about load, endurance, stress, and all kinds of tests, because software, just like people, can get a little unpredictable when you really put the pressure on. And I'll share how to make these tests part of your continuous delivery process. Performance isn't just something that you remember 5 minutes before lunch. On the analysis side, we will look at data inspection and root cause analysis, and how trends can sometimes reveal the story that our logs are just too shy to tell. We'll even pick at machine learning and see how it can help us spot issues before they become the next office legend, and not in a nice way. Each topic is explained in clear, human terms with practical examples, mostly in Python, because that's the language most likely to get invited to parties, but you'll also find Java, Go, and even some C for those who like their code with a little extra crunch. We'll look at real tools, profilers, test data generators, DevOps utilities, and frameworks like the Elastic Stack. And for those who like to dream big, we even touch on high-performance computing and quantum advancements, because sometimes you really want your software to be faster than your coffee machine, or at least faster than your last build. Performance engineering is a wide world, but this book is your friendly, slightly witty guide, whether you're a software engineer, an architect, or just someone who likes their apps to be a little more snappy. You'll find something here. So if you're ready to make your software perform at its best, and maybe enjoy a few moments of, did he really just say that? Grab your copy of Software Performance Engineering, a comprehensive guide for high-performance development. Let's make your code not just run, but maybe even break sweat. Thank you for watching, and happy optimizing.